How to create celebration flyer on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create professional celebration flyer on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top and click on the flyers option. Now here you will find many options and you will find many categories. Go here and click and write celebrate, and you will find the celebration options here. For example, this one, and I like mostly this one. I'm gonna show you here. I like this. It's celebration, and also there is many options here. For example, this is new year celebration and Valentine celebration, and this one is sunrise Easter flyer. You can change it. It's not necessary to stay as it is. You can change and everything here from the text and wherever you want. After you finish, click on the save option and it will be saved directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.